What else is there? Is there any specific one? 6.
Okay. Shrink wrap. Shrink wrap is very interesting.
Shrink wrap.
Um, because shrink wrap is limiting the size, if possible, of the children. So if the children take less space, and we say shrink wrap true, so we want to create exactly that amount of space for the children, not more and not less. And this might come in handy when you create some elements in a list view that actually don't need more space.
Shrink wrap, yeah. Word explains it.
Yeah, but it's a function we use quite often, depending on different parents, for example.
Okay.
Limit our space.
Unnecessary space would be removed. Okay.
Yeah, then our padding, as we used
Already
it
used
earlier.
it. Yeah, it's there already.
Then there is the item builder.
We already used
know
it.
Find child index callback. I think this is something where we can just look into the list view for a specific element. I haven't used that by myself till today, but that's the only thing I could imagine of it.
Okay, so still item count, we have used it. Add automation, those are some booleans.
Yeah. Add automatic keep alives means that it's generating all the items according to the need. Repaint boundaries, antic indexes.
And what does cas extend do? That's something.
Actually, I've never looked at that.
Cas extend. Let's look at that. Cas extend. I think we need to, if there is like multiple list, big list, then we can cas it. Sounds like that.
Okay, what is it? Rendering viewport. Okay, something special.
Rough. Children that will contribute.
Yeah, I don't.
I guess
this is semantic child account. So yeah, you can do some stuff with that, but in most cases, I don't think you will use that.
I guess it helps to increase the efficiency if there is like more children. There are 1,000 children, then what extent of children can be shown initially or something like that.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. Never tried it out. Yeah.
Drag start behavior that itself.
Yeah.
How it should be dragged or something like that. Can you show the example in that case? If I change the drag start behavior. Yeah.
Our behavior. This is the start. What we let's see what we have. Down. I guess that's not sure.
It's the same, isn't it? Down is by default. Or start.
Start.
Okay.
So I expected something different. But yeah, it doesn't seem.
Can you replace that? That's
what it actually should do. Only putting the moment, the position where we actually just start to drag, but in our case, it seems to be no difference.
Yep.
Where to start?
Start and down. It's almost same.
Yeah.
Okay. What else? I saw that clip extend thing. Oh, not clip extend. Clip age thing. That also looks. Clip behavior. Yeah.
Clip behavior.
What does that do? Sounds like it will clip it.
Yeah. In that case, when elements actually are bigger than the space provided,
yeah,
they
last time we
should
used
be
it.
actually cut off. In most cases, especially in the case of clip hard edge. In terms of list view, I would think that they are bigger as the space provided, and clip hard edge means that if they need more space, actually this space is not seen.
If we change this clip hard into none, then what happens? Let's try it out.
I think in our case, there won't be that much.
Just clip dot. Yeah, let's Nothing.
Yeah, in our case, because nothing is limiting the list view, right?
Okay.
So if we just try it out, right, and we have the width of 100, but we only
Parent has
provide a width of 50.
what happened? Width of 50. It took the width from its parent, I guess.
Seems like that.
Yeah, but it's not clipped.
Yeah, but here's no difference.
Yeah, I guess it's on. What did you change? Clip none. Now it okay.
Yeah,
50.
it's none. Hard edge is when it reaches the limit, it
Yeah.
should be cut. In stack, we could see it easily. If we set it to hard edge, we actually cannot leave the stack area.
Okay.
But when we kept it in loose, in that case, and clip hard, clip none.
Yes, und
I'm
height.
sorry. And clip is set to none. Then we can actually leave the stack area and position it elsewhere without cutting it off.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. Interesting. So
Yeah.
last time we tried single side scroll view, it had some problem of not lazy loading, or
Mhm.
it doesn't load the list dynamically. Except a single side scroll view, straight scroll. Does list view has some problem? Any problem? Or it's best wizard for this kind of activity? What do you think?
I think ListView's biggest problem you will face in terms of developing your apps is that it's only taking as much space as it can. So if we don't limit it, we will often have this kind of unbound error, height unbound. Let's say we can maybe make an example. Let's say we are having a column. We might have a column. Is there a column somewhere? Yeah. And column itself is also not limiting. So we see
Yeah, there's a
this
problem.
null check value.
It doesn't have height, so
Yeah, so when we scroll all the way up, we see vertical viewport was given unbound height. Reason is column is also taking as much space as it can get, so it's not limited. Now list view is asking for a space it can use, and column is take as much as you is telling take as much as you can. So of course it breaks down, because then we don't know to what extent we actually should generate our items.
So in what cases we can use list view instead of scroll child view?
I think in all those cases where we have a lot of items to present,
Hmm?
for example, users of a group,
Okay,
for example.
simply let's say if the list is dynamic, then we use list view, I guess.
Yeah,
It
in
makes
most
sense.
cases, when we
If
need some scrolling action, when we need more elements to show than actually space is provided, and if the layout is not fixed, in that case.
but
Yeah.
if there is a limited number of children, like 4, 5, 10, then does it make sense to use list view?
It depends on the layout you provide on the parent side, let's say. But usually I would go with column if I'm always able to show all the children.
Okay, okay. So we can also simply map the list into widgets. What is the difference between that mapping and we use list? Is there any difference, or is it same?
Mapping into widgets.
Yeah, we can map that list. So that no, we can map that list into.
Ah,
Yeah, of course, it won't be easy to add a divider or something like that. It's dynamic. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
no, I'm a little bit confused.
Because we can also use the map directly. I mean to say we can map this list of numbers
Mm-hmm.
map and directly render the widget.
Ah,
Yeah, but that would be expensive. Opted at the same time, like the whole bunch of list. Yeah,
yeah.
makes sense. Is there any other widget to show this kind of view or show this kind of list? Or it's the only one that is good for everything?
Mm, I'm just
There is single child scroll view, there is list view. Any other thing?
what I'm currently working with. What was the name of? Was Oh, what was the name of it? Page view.
Okay. Now what is this
Yeah.
page view?
Page view is a little bit different. We usually have those cases where we want to kind of scroll, for example, images. And we want those images to swipe from left to right, most cases.
Mm-hmm.
And we want to have some certain behavior. For example, sliding with a certain like in a carousel. Oh, that's an object I was looking for.
Okay.
You know, this image carousels where you can
Yeah.
just swipe and you get those images and they are kind of like sticking to the screen.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have that in ListView, as you can see. So I need to back.
Yeah, that's column on fine.
Yeah, here. It's just scrolling. It's not sticking to anything, not to no element. With page view, we are creating page views, and we need some kind of a controller, page view controller, that actually handles the behavior.
Mhm.
Try it out if you want.
Yeah, sure.
Let's say, first of all, need controller,
Is view controller.
a page controller. So the one who controls our page view behavior. Of course, then it const is not possible. Now we are creating page views. And what we need here for our children,
Okay.
or the views itself. Oh, ask for fine.
Children. Text ABC. Text D.
That's what. So we want page view. Let's say want containers with certain height. Certain oops, with
Color.
of course a color.
Color
Let's
start green.
colors.
Okay, now let's make another with color different. Great. Hello.
Oh.
Perfect. Okay, now it's colorful.
Yeah, of course, page view. Controller.
It's controller.
Handle it.
What else? There is some error.
Thinking or raising a constructor factory. Const.
Const.
Yeah, in the main dart. This is just because this is not using const anymore. Because this is not an immutable, a fully immutable image widget.
Start it again.
Because of that one here. And yeah, of course. Oh.
Okay.
So now we have a page
Dang.
view.
Dang.
It's a little bit different. So I can just stop here, and you see the behavior is going back to blue because blue was taking more space. Let's see. Still the same case. Now we have more yellow. Take yellow.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So this is this kind of image carousel we create with page view.
Completely different kind of visit or property. It's carousel property.
Yeah, exactly.
Want to create some kind of sliding instrument in. Nice. Good to know information. Okay, are there any other kind of view in your mind right now? I knew about scroll view now, page view, list view. What else? If not, then it's fine for today. It's already more than required. What do you say?
Let's see. I'm not sure. There is something I'm not thinking of right now. Okay, this is not what I was looking for.
By data view? No.
Yeah, there's only grid view, configuration page for list view, Android.
Now there comes grid view, scroll view.
Grid view is something.
Yeah, but that would be too much for this video. I guess that's all for this video. So we don't need to create outro. It's already fine. Because last time also I didn't add any outro to the video. But we need one of your images. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much, Michael.
Thank you
It
very
was
much.
very interesting topic, and I guess it's helpful for the viewers also. So that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Anything to add up, Michael?
It was fun, even though I didn't know everything.
It's always interesting stuff.
Yeah.
It's learning process.
Always interesting.
Yeah. Okay, then that's all for this video. See you on the video. Goodbye, guys.
Bye-bye.